adding a location in the warehouse with WMS-Lite system. So go to settings, click on location. After creating your warehouse, you need to create the different locations that are based in the warehouse. So for that, you can create new location here, and you can add a different location that you have. For example, you can set the location and you can set the level. In my example here, I understand that maybe 00 is on the floor, and then you might have some racking system. Then you have the level 01, 02, 03 based on the racking levels, and then you can set the capacity here in CBM. The capacity is absolutely for each location that you have. So you need to take the dimensions of the full location that you have to be able to add this information here. We are going to compare all of the goods you have in the warehouse compared to the maximum capacity of the locations. So if this location is 60 CBM, then you can save this information, and the system will remember already the location and the capacity, but will not remember the level because we cannot have 2 times the same location. So we need to add one new location, and then you can go on like this. It's quite a fast process that way. So then you can save it. If you want to have, for example, this location BA03 is for a specific customer, so you can set the customer here, and then after, of course, creating the customers, you will be able to select the customer here, and then this location will be for this customer. Then we have the bonded location as well. If this location is for bonded, you can always mention that. And if it's a quarantine stock, then you can also mention that. So you can save this information here. And then we know once you go back to the list, you are having the listing of the location. And if you switch here to graphic format, you can see all of your locations in a graphic format. I need to change the size of my screen, then we see it by block. So we can already see that we have different colors here. So we have the colors that are empty location are shown in green. We have the color below 50%, that means we have something to the location but it hasn't hit 50%. And then what it says, hit the 50%, the location moved to orange. And once we hit the maximum capacity of 90% of the location, this location turns to red. So when you move your mouse on it, you can also see that you can find what SKUs, how many units, how many packing you have on this specific location here. If you move your mouse into that one, you can see that we have some other things here and there as well. If we move the mouse to the green one, it's empty because we have empty location here. If you want to know all of the locations that are below 50%, simply click on this button here, and the system will display all of the locations which are below 50%. If you want to know all of the locations with the bodied warehouse, you can click on bodied warehouse here, and then the system will show you all of the dots, the yellow dots in this case, right, to show you that these are the locations that are bonded. If you have several warehouses, you can also select the warehouses here, and all of the warehouses, or one warehouse, and so on. So once you are clear with this, once you have created all of your location, then you can go back to the warehouse, and on the warehouse you can click on action, and then you can print the QR code. These are all of the QR code that we can move it to A6. These are all of the QR code which are regarding to the location. So you can print this QR code here, and you can set them on your racking system. Like this, we will use this barcode for the mobile app. The mobile app, in the way to enter the goods into the system with the mobile app, is part of another video. So now you know how to add the locations and to view the locations. So hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.